Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into the sum function on Excel. The sum function just essentially totals a value that you provide or a column that you provide essentially. So what I'm going to do now is head over to the Formula tab, and as you can see here we've got the sum function as an option. So what I'm going to summarize is going to be the annual salary of all the different employees. So I'm going to go to the bottom here and I'm going to write equals sum, and then I'm going to provide the entire column of data. So I've now selected that all there with the Command Shift and down button. So I'm just going to add a bracket, and there we go. So 3.8 million in salaries, we've got the sum of there. So nice and easy, simple function to use, and great when you're doing some calculations or some finance work or things of that nature. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.